Which blade cuts sharpest? Which blade lasts longest? We challenged ourselves to find out. When we launched the Encore microtone blade in 2008, we knew we had a winner. We engineered it to start sharper and cut longer, with a full 80mm cutting edge to cut up to 3 block widths per single blade. And because it produces clean, consistent cuts for as many as 45 to 50% more turns, Encore blades improve productivity and cost efficiency. But like every breakthrough innovation, some challenged our claims and our data. So we challenged ourselves to go head-to-head against the industry's perceived leader. We would use non-biased testing to evaluate our Encore blade against AccuEdge and let the data decide. Our first objective was to conduct fair and credible life cycle testing with no inconsistencies in the variables. We started with the test environment. First, we controlled humidity by sealing the walls and removing ambient moisture. We then set for consistent humidity 24 hours prior to the test. We then controlled for even temperature by setting the temperature that same 24 hours. Unnecessary equipment that could add heat was removed. As a final environmental control, testing was delayed 20 minutes to stabilize the ambient temperature once the door to the lab was closed. Blades were blind sourced and selected from random production lots. All test blocks were made from superfin IE paraffin with identical sample tissue. Finally, all blades were tested on identical manual and automatic machines. We also conducted sharpness testing using a Chatillon LTCM5 tension compression tester to measure the peak cutting force required to penetrate a Santoprene test medium. Santoprene was chosen because of its lot-to-lot consistency in testing blades used in tendon surgeries. We used the lowest possible force to compare the relative sharpness of the blades from a sales-ready dispenser. At the end of our tests, the results cut through any confusion about which blade cuts sharper and lasts longer. In our unbiased tests, Encore was 32% sharper and lasted 48% longer. You've seen how we conducted the test and the results we achieved. Don't take our word for it. See for yourself. Challenge Encore in your lab with a free blade dispenser. We think when you compare the Encore blade to the perceived leader, you'll see there's really no comparison. Encore. Start sharper. Stay sharper. Contact your distributor for free samples and a blade demo.